Good morning. I just spent the morning slaving away on some just so difficult. They were so difficult. These chocolate croissants. Oh my gosh. But they were delicious. But yeah, so much work. So much work. Oddly, one of them turned out like really smooth and very interesting. I have to wonder if I just did something with the recipe that, you know, caused an error. How it came out. I'm sorry. No, I just like to tease because they're from Trader Joe's and they're fabulous. But I've seen them in Caleb's vlog, and I can't remember. Somebody else that I watch eats them too, and it just makes me laugh because it's just like they're delicious, but it just really, you know, it's a treat. Anywho, let's see, what are we doing today? Today we're going to be decorating the tree. We're going to be advent calendars. It's Sunday. It's relatively low-key, I think, just around the house. So we will decorate whatever we can if we have time and run errands and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna kind of do our thing. So I thought I'd chat with you real quick because I have to go into the office for an appointment middle of the week, but other than that, I'm not doing much but shopping and going out around town. So I thought we could change bags together. And I decided to grab this bad boy, which is not from the House of H. It is an Anafeel, which is no longer in business that I'm aware of, but I picked this up from a vlog sale from Autumn Beckman's former collection. So it's the second bag I've purchased from Autumn over the years. I missed out on her Kelly dupe, but picked up the Birkin dupe. This is the Kelly dupe. I missed out on the Birkin dupe. This is the Kelly that she had, and I think this is a 25 centimeter, but I can't remember the actual dimensions. And this was the one that I was really glad I picked up because it has solidified that Kellys are not my jam, at least unless the straps are incredibly longer on the actual Hermes bags, because this does not crossbody on me very nicely. I also don't really care for the closure. It I mean, it's fine, especially when I leave it like this, but I don't really care for the way it looks. And it might just be the leather that it's made out of. Maybe I just need a softer type of Kelly, but I'm glad that it helped me decide that this was just enough to know that the Birkin's likely the style that I would go for, if at all. So this is going to be what I carry for the week. It'll be very minimal. So all I am going to be moving into it, I was carrying my Marc Jacobs tote literally like for almost 2 months without changing out of it. Has it been 2 months? All of November and part of October, except for when I went to Chicago, and I used a different bag when I was there, but pretty much, yeah, so about 2 months. So AirPods, key, 6 key, my Felici insert has all of my cards, ID, all the stuff that I need, and I have a mini skinny from Coach that I've had for probably, there's some distinguishing, it's got the signature print. I've had this, I think, since 2003, 4, something like that. So one of the very first Coach items that I purchased. I've had it forever, and it has change in it, so that's for parking. And so my coin purse, basically. And then I'm just going to carry a little Dior freebie bag that has some fragrances and a lippy in it. So that is the plan. And then of course my phone, but I'm filming on that, so that will go in here. So this particular one has a zip pocket back here and then 2 slip pockets right here, which you can't really see very easily, but I think that will be just enough that I can get the phone in. And then I'll put this in, put the mini skinny in, put this little sucker in, put the AirPods in. Those are the regular AirPods from however many generations ago. Keys, and yeah, there'll be plenty of room for the phone in there as well. So we'll seal that up, and that will be my bag of the week. And maybe next week we will change bags together. What do I have? I have some tickets right here on my desk. So on the, say 9th or 10th, I can't tell here. Sometime mid-month, we've got a symphony gospel Christmas, and then we're going to go see the Muppet Christmas Carol. So what they do is they play the movie, and then the symphony plays along to the soundtrack, and that's the first time I've ever seen that happen. So we have 2 times to go up to Portland more. I'm hoping to pop back into the shops there, maybe the Nordstrom, and check some things out, see what they have new in bags and such, and go from there. So that is the bag of the week and Vlogmas Day 3. You guys want to do the advent calendar? Dolly, you want to do advent calendar? You got your waggy tail. Where's Boo Bear? Bamboo, is it advent calendar time? Alright, so day 3 for the kids. So these little cookies, which I have discovered they're not the biggest fan of. Boo likes them, but the girls don't like them. So maybe I'll give Boo these, and then the girls can have the advent calendar for dogs treats. You ready, Boo Bear? You want to try the cookie? Apparently they're okay. Uh-oh. They're not okay. They're sort of okay. I ended up going ahead and breaking these up into little pieces. How about the sweet potato and fish? You want to try that? Sound good? Okay, yeah, he's all over that. Let's get 2 pieces. You want to try, Mama? That one for you. And that one for you. You want to try it? You don't like it? You don't like it, Mama? No. Pickles is gonna come take it. She did. You let her have it? You don't like it, Mama? Okay. How about we give you... We'll give her one of these. She really likes these little Christmas trees. We've had a bad day, huh? Yeah. We need to have treats. All right, so we'll give y'all the majority of these. There you go. You want that one? Saving it for later. You want to try this one, Mama? You want to try it? Don't like it. We're just gonna have to do Christmas trees for you because you have a sensitive palate, don't you, Dolly? Right? Come here, Dolly. Come here. Come get your Christmas tree. Come get your Christmas tree. Yes, I know you love those. Have a good night, y'all.